How many times have you heard, these are the end of times? I've heard it a lot in my lifetime. But for the first time ever, I have felt that, maybe these are the end of times. So what do we do now? We don't know what we don't know. But guess who knows? God knows. So Dr. Lorraine Day has just graced us with her research that she's done. And so we're starting a new series called New Truths, because that's what we talk about in the classroom. New Truths series, the book of Revelations. Do we have the playbook? Did God give us clues of what's going to happen in the end of time so that we're prepared and ready? We'll see. This 12-week program with Dr. Lorraine Day starts August 17th, 2020, the year of clear vision. From 7 to 8:30, she's going to give a talk. And from 8:30 to 9 Eastern Time PM, she will take questions. Because you know what? It's okay to question. It's okay to find out why, especially if it doesn't make sense. So we're going to start this on August 17th, and the cost is $60. $60 for a 12-week course with Dr. Lorraine Day. However, we are going to give you the opportunity to make it even more affordable by doing an early registration on August 3rd. And from August 3rd to August 9th, then it is, or actually August 10th, and then it's $47. But after August 10th, it is $60. It's still very affordable. Many of us spend a lot of time and energy finding out what other people are thinking or saying. But when in doubt, God knows everything. So if you were wondering what was in the book of Revelations, wonder no more, because we're going to have a good friend to turn to, which is God's Word, along with Dr. Lorraine Day. And I hope all of you feel that this is something, whether you have read the Bible every day of your life, or maybe you're just a new beginning seeker, this class is for you. All are welcome. I want you to feel empowered with God's Word, because nothing else can give us more power than that. So I hope to see you on August 17th from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, and take advantage of that early bird registration, because we always get free gifts on the Lillian McDermott Radio Show Classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or text me. You know the number. I'll see you soon. Bye.